Picture this. You're throwing the party of the year and then bam! An uninvited guest shows up. Talk about a party pooper, right? Now imagine if that party pooper was a virus, more the varicella-zoster virus, otherwise known as shingles. Shingles is like that uninvited, annoying guest who just won't leave. It crashes your party without an invitation and turns everything down with its prolonged presence and constant pain. In the medical world, shingles is like that guy who eats all the snacks, overstays his welcome, and just won't leave. And the biggest bummer? It leaves you with a stinging reminder of its visit, a pain in the derriere. So folks, just like that party pooper, shingles shows up unannounced and can be a real pain in the derriere. Oh my, so how does this party crasher get in? Imagine your body as a grand, sophisticated soiree, and the varicella-zoster virus, the cause of shingles, is that uninvited guest who somehow finds its way in. This virus is no stranger though. It's the same one that gave you chickenpox when you were younger. After the chickenpox party ends, the virus doesn't leave. Instead, it finds a quiet corner in your nervous system and falls asleep, lying dormant for years. But like any good party crasher, it knows when to make its grand reappearance. It can be triggered to wake up and start dancing again due to factors like stress, age, or a weakened immune system. Suddenly, the serene soiree that is your body becomes a chaotic dance floor with the virus leading the conga line, causing painful, blistering rashes. And just like that, the party crasher has turned your body's peaceful gathering into a full-blown rave. Did I grab your attention? All right, folks, brace yourselves for the real kicker, booting out this unwanted intruder. It's showdown time with shingles. First up, we've got the power-packed antiviral medications, the mighty bouncers of your body's bash, keeping everything locked down tight. Next in line, we have pain management, the electrifying rock and roll of relief, dialing down the mayhem, and the showstopper, the esteemed shingles vaccine, the superstar of the show, holding off the gate crashers. So, there you have it, team. This is how we unleash the fury and send this uninvited party pooper packing. Before we wrap up this shindig, we have some party favors for you. A quick recap. Shingles is an uninvited guest. Your body's the host, and the cure is the bouncer. Remember, knowledge is power. So, power up by subscribing, liking, and sharing our channel to learn more about the ins and outs of your body's wild parties.